How to join Dandy's World Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser. Now, go to the search bar and then simply search for Dandy's World. After that, you can also add Dandy's World Discord server, and then you will get a join link for Dandy's World Discord server. And once you are here, all you have to do is tap on join, verify your human identity, and after you are verified, it will directly lead you to this interface of your Discord application. Simply tap on accept invite, and here you are in the Dandy's World Discord server. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.